I have to pack for a hurricane.
A hurricane?
A hurricane.
A hurricine.
That's stupid Gustav.
Gustavio.
We should go south.
Yeah.
That would be so much fun.
We should go swimming in the Gulf of Mexico. Turnip.
Yeah, turnip.
You're my super best friend.
Oh, my super best friend. That makes me so happy.
I know.
Feelings that you lied to me.
I never lied to you.
Yeah, huh?
When did I lie to you? Oh, great.
What? Hi, Dad.
No, I have to write a paper. Wow.
Me too. I get to write a paper in Arkansas and then turn it in Louisiana. Isn't that great?
I don't know where I'm gonna write my paper.
You're gonna write your paper north. Is that my ring?
No.
Why are you? No! No! No!
Against the ones who are stupid, and there's a lot of them. What are you mouthing?
Nothing. Like a bug.
There is no bug. I
You looked at the ceiling.
I looked at you.
You looked at the ceiling.
I was looking at the ceiling because I want to see if one of your sticky globes make sure that there was no bug. So I could say that you were lying and make you look like you. I'm gonna glue.
Just open it. Oh my god. Stop breathing. I'm drawing your lips. You look in the mirror all the time every 5 minutes. Oh, that's so self-absorbed. When you look at it. You're 83 degrees Celsius? What? Your ABCs? Your ABC's popcorns?
Popcorn.
What's a backward?
Still talk.
I can still talk. I didn't do it.
Try to make it happen.
Mufasa. You're gonna be Mufasa.
No.
You're gonna be Mufasa.
No.
I like everyone else Mufasa.
You know that I did before because I never felt good. Felt like I thought I'd be.
Tape.
Stop. Throw it away. Do you want to just turn it off?